Hi, I'm Assemblyman Vince Fong. I'm honored to be here joined with our local Sikh community to support David Valadao for Congress. And I'm here with Shannon Grove as well, our state senator. We need David in Congress. He'll be a strong advocate for the Central Valley, bringing water and jobs to the valley. You can't think of anyone better to be in Congress than our friend David Valadao. David, do you want to say anything, or Shannon?
Yeah. They will say.
David go first.
Shannon, you go ahead.
Okay. Hi, I'm State Senator Shannon Grove, and it's just an honor to be here with our Punjabi community and to support David Valadao for Congress. You know, he's a business owner, a farmer, a rancher, a father, a husband, and you can't have a better representative for the 21st Congressional District than David Valadao, so please make sure you support him.
Okay, David.
Well, I just want to say thank you for all the support. It's amazing to have so many people here to be helpful in this race. Obviously, I've always been an advocate for the Central Valley. We've got a strong population here of Punjabi folks, and I've worked really hard to make sure they're represented properly in Congress and represented properly throughout the country, because it was one of the populations that was affected the most with different things like racism and others, and treated. And so that's why I started the Sikh caucus, and I brought a lot of attention. I actually got it listed as a hate crime, so that if someone is affected unfairly, the first thing that we can do is prosecute them. And I feel like we made a real difference. We're going to continue to work hard to make sure to deliver for our community, and that affects every single person, every single demographic throughout the population. And I want to continue to do that, and so I look forward to having everyone's support November 3rd. Thank you.
अपनी सारी सिख कम्यूनिटी ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਮਤਾਬ ਸਿੰਘ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਅੱਜ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਲ ਡੇਵਿਡ ਵੈਲਡਾਓ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਖੜ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਬੇਕਰਸਫੀਲਡ ਤੇ ਫ੍ਰਿਜ਼ਨੋ ਏਰੀਏ ਚੋਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਸਿੱਖ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਨ ਮਨ ਧਨ ਨਾਲ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਅੱਜ we want to make sure that David go in the Congress, and we have a support, and Sikh community have a support for David, because David always stand for Sikhs. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। The man who established Sikh caucus in Congress, he's right here. He can do 100% support to the Sikhs. Why not? If he walk one step towards us, we will walk 10 steps towards you. We want him back. No more Mickey Mouse 832 votes victory. We want to get thousands more to get him a winner. David, you mentioned hate crimes. Shannon stood with us after September 11. They were mistaking us bad people. We are hardworking people, paying taxes, creating jobs, and we are blamed for bad people. We need people like you who recognize the fact. Our children are born here. They will die for the soil of America. We will give our sacrifice. And then they think we are bad people. We pay double punishment. No more this. People are attacking on our police officers. We don't want that kind of situation. We want law and order, and this woman stand for it, you stand for it. We need people like you. We 100% support from Sikh community to you.
Thank you.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। You will be surprised that even when we are in high school, we study Henry Ford, Abraham Lincoln, George Watson, James Adam, of Abraham Lincoln 3 times. Every time I learned more. So we appreciate the principles of democracy, equality, fraternity, and development, and we really appreciate, and we request all the elected officials here that please help us to stop the discrimination at the highest level for the Sikhs, American Sikhs. And also we request that if you can allow us to enter the army, we can do any job for you, anytime. So no matter how much number small we have, and once you give us because you should know that the largest number of Sikhs, they were in the Allied forces, they were the Sikhs, 200,000 Sikhs, and they are the ones who liberated Haifa in Israel. And they have issued a stamp now and that stamp is popular and being circulated right now. So the Sikhs are liberators. They are not terrorists or like the other governments are blaming them and all that kind of thing. And so we really appreciate you supporting the Sikhs, and we appreciate and we want to support you all the way.
Thank you.
Thank you.